A while back, I released a video that gave some points of advice for avoiding confrontation whilst out flying your drone. In the description to that video, we gave links for a free set of downloadable A5 PDFs that you can print out at home and hand out to people who approach you, depending on what type of flight you are doing. Since then, we've had so much great feedback about the flies from viewers and others, including a police drone unit using the QR codes to help educate people, that we decided to produce some updated versions. In the description to this video, you will find a range of downloadable leaflets again that can be used in the following expanded circumstances: sub 250 gram camera drones, A2 CFC flight, A3 open flight, FPV flight, and Article 16 authorization flights. The leaflets have QR codes and link details that will take you to key websites such as the UK CAA drone code, Altitude Angels dronesafetymap.com, which is actually the same map within the Drone Assist app, and one to the Geeksvana drone rules series of videos. So you can print these handy leaflets off at home and give them to people approaching who might wonder if your drone flight is legal or what you are doing. I originally made these leaflets for my own use, and I found that they help with a lot of explaining in terms of helping people understand, but also educating the wider public about drone flight. Now, I know that you shouldn't feel like you need to take this kind of step when you are flying your drone perfectly legally, but it does help to promote the positive side of the hobby and spread the word that what we're doing is safe and legal. I used drone confrontation in the title to this video as that was the topic of the original video and where you're often going to be using these leaflets. But these leaflets are really more for just those people angrily running over to stop you enjoying your hobby. Many interactions that we have with members of the public are much less confrontational than many of the videos we see on YouTube. If you are new to the hobby or thinking about getting into it, do. The number of times you will encounter an actual defined confrontation with an angry face shouting at you will be far less than you might think when you look at some of the videos out there. Remember, put all the videos on social media together which show confrontation over drone flight, and you're talking about a tiny fraction of flights that happen around the world each day. I often speak to viewers who have been flying for years without a single confrontation, so don't be put off, but instead print some of these leaflets, the relevant ones to your type of flight, and have them ready, because it will help you deal with those people who are approaching out of curiosity or concern. Most interactions you'll have with people won't be shouting matches. Frankly, these leaflets also help me reduce the amount of time I'm stood chatting with people rather than just up flying to catch the sunset or sunrise, etc. that I'm there to get. If you think there could be another leaflet version that we're missing, then let me know in the comments below and we will produce any that are popular. Also, let us know your thoughts on how to deal with people who approach you in the comments, not just confrontation, but any kind of different approaches. One of the things I love about videos like this is how the global drone community comes together to help each other and share their own experience and knowledge. Also, before you go, if you are new here, please do hit that subscribe button. Oh, and YouTube thinks you will like this video next. Were they right? Sean out.